Oh my, a strong wind has destroyed my entire parking roof. There must be something is wrong with my roofing systems. Who should I ask help for, huh?
Hello, it's Zwani speaking. Oh, hey Aslina. What's wrong? Can I help you?
Hey, can I have your advice? Where and how I can fix my parking roof? They all destroyed due to having wind this evening.
Oh my, what a disaster. If your roofing system is damaged by such weather, surely you should reconsider your roofing material. You know that there are two main types of materials to make a roof truss, and of course, both have their own advantages and disadvantages. You have to choose wisely.
What are they?
Roof trusses are made out of two materials, which is steel and timber. While steel trusses have the advantage of its handling and erection, there are also some drawbacks like high material and maintenance costs and low thermal resistance. Timber or wood trusses, on the other hand, have a longer list of advantage and a shorter list of disadvantage.
Some builders prefer to the metal roof truss because the building of a structure is all about precision and metal has a more precise measurement than wood. Safety is also an issue when deciding to use a metal roof truss or a wood truss system. Building codes and other procedure may require certain trusses. The metal roof truss has its advantages and disadvantages and will also greatly depend on the needs of the builders and, if residentials, the preference of the homeowner. Now, the advantages of the metal roof truss is it can be manufactured to exact size, and besides, they are much more lightweight and this allows for larger shipment. Hence, this will help to reduce the time it takes to get to the project site. Next is, metal roof trusses are fire resistant compared to wood truss. And lastly, if you care about effect of material to earth, metal roof trusses are recyclable and therefore it is an environmental friendly material. Disadvantages of metal roof trusses are it requires skilled labor to be able to install the metal roof trusses. Besides that, they are not energy efficient since they allow more heat to escape from the structure. Metal roof trusses allow sound to be more easily transmitted, plus temperature fluctuations allow them to move more. When the metal is cut, drilled, scratched, or welded, rust can become a problem. Also, the workers have a higher risk of electrocutions when installing the metal roof truss. And wires that are on the trusses can rub over time, creating a hazard to anyone who happens to touch the metal truss.
The advantages of timber trusses are such as 1. Flexibility and versatility. Timber trusses are very diverse and easily compatible with other structures. It can also create large open areas, so it is ideal for architects to use creatively. 2. Eco-friendly. Timber collects carbon and releases oxygen on the surface. Compared to steel, timber consumes less energy and one of the renewable materials that ensures sustainability. 3. Economical. Because timber are lightweight, it can be installed without the help of heavy machineries. Also, the waste generated at site is minimal, making the clean-up work less costly. 4. Durable and strong. Most of the on-site framing problems are eliminated, and trusses are uniformly made, ensuring accurate fabrication and provides required structural integrity. 5. Energy efficient. Timber are excellent in thermal properties and also a dense material, so that creates a good insulation. The last one is aesthetic freedom. Timber provides unlimited variety options and freedom to customer to experiment with aesthetic properties of the building. So the disadvantage of timber is insect attractions such as termites problems.
Oh, I see. Well, I think I would choose timber over steel because it's much more economic and it will take fewer time to construct rather than steel truss, right? But which timber serve me the best?
Oh, I have a friend who is an expert in timber technology, and you may ask some tips on how to strengthen your roofing system. I will give you his number and you should call him, okay? I'll tell him also about your problem beforehand.
Alright, thank you so much, Zwani.
Hey, you must be Aselina, right? I heard your problem from Zwani. Well, I think I would suggest you to use Chengal as your timber truss material. It is because Chengal is a good resistant with various weather conditions, either it dry or wet. Mostly, it is used in outdoor, on patios and decorating balconies. The Chengal wood is also resistant to termite, wear and tear. Moreover, it requires minimal care and maintenance to clean compared to other type of timber. And one more important thing is, it is durable. Mature Chengal wood is more durable compared to young Chengal wood. So it is better to choose mature Chengal wood.
Oh, it sounds great. Anyway, do you have any tips to improve my roofing system so that this problem would not be happen again?
Well, worry not. One of these new technologies should be applied in your timber truss construction in order to overcome this problem.
The first technology is dovetail joint. The dovetail joint is one of the most beautiful timber connections and is strong and secure through design. It gets its name from the shape of its mortise and tenon, which resemble the tail of a dove. Once the connection is made, it becomes very difficult to pull apart because of its wedge shape. The dovetail joint is also commonly used to build handmade wood boxes or cabinets. They are a fundamental traditional joinery connection because they are simple and incredibly strong.
Gusset plate. What is gusset plate? Gusset or gusset plate is a triangular piece of timber or metal that is used to transfer stresses between connected members and help strengthen the joint between them. They can be fastened to permanent members by rivets, bolts, welding if it is in the case of metal, or pressing if it is in the case of timber. Timber or metal gussets are often used to strengthen timber roof truss, and gusset plates produce a more streamlined appearance.
The RESIX connection system, also known as wood welding, which use three elements, consists of high-quality glue laminate woods, high tensile steel threaded rods, and high-performance epoxy resin. It gives benefit in every kind of project, for any form and for any kind of structure. The connection is totally invisible and has high performance assembly process. It also has a high resistance factor than traditional board in place construction. Better sustainability of structures. Control fire resistance, improve of the lifespan of the structure and resin durability confirmed by aging test.